Hey guys, it's me again. Tonight we're going to do some necking on Uncle Robbie's Science Corner. So get out your lip gloss and give me a big mwah kiss, baby. Here we go. Okay guys, there's going to be no making out in this video except for me making out with my beautiful, well, custom made cigarettes, and you can watch one of my old videos. Got about 12 views on how to make a pack of smokes for less than $2. But anyway, I digress. Right now what we're going to do, I'm very excited, is we're going to actually mount the neck onto this just so I can hang it up on the wall. Because I just noticed that the quality control on these Mexican Fender bass necks is pretty shitty. And that nut is not cut. It's the string spacing on this nut is not even where it should be. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bust this nut out, right? I'm going to bust the nut out and have it probably replaced with a brass one or some type of phenolic or graphite or something like that, or corian. I don't know what this is. I don't like this nut. This is going to go. So what I'm going to do right now is this series is going to go on hold for a minute. But right now I'm going to put on the neck. And this thing, oh, I'm so psyched to be doing this. Okay? Now if you remember the older video, I actually did a video about how I had to fit this into the pocket. Okay? And you can see now it fits into the neck pocket. Now, hopefully, this is going to go together okay. All right, so basically what I have here is I have my neck plate and my screws and the neck pad. So what I'm going to do is kind of just, I'm going to put my neck down. And there's a goddamn ant. Fucking, I can't stand these ants. It's walking on my table. Oh my God, I got to put this ant crap out. It's been a really wet summer here, so the ants are like all over the place. And I didn't put the poison out around the house. I know people are like, why are you poisoning the little ants? The little ants, they have families. Now, screw them. They're little vermin. I hate them. Anyway, so I digress once again. I got the neck plate, okay? And I got the neck on here, and wow, let's see. First of all, are these screws too long? No, they're not. Okay, they're the right side screws. But this thing is tight. Tight, 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 tight. But that's also because I filled up the screw holes with lots of spray paint. So let's see if this will work. Okay? Got my 4 screws in here. Oops, dropped one. Don't do that, because you'll never find it on this floor. And, guess what? Oh, there it is. Thank God. Yeah, I don't want to drop stuff on my floor because, you know what? Stuff gets dropped on my floor and it's like, it's gone to the bizarro world of you're never going to find it. Now, I always tell everybody, don't do this, but I'm going to do it just to see. Holy cow. It worked! Holy cow, Batman, it worked! Okay, remember I said we do this like changing a tire, we go across the bolts? There you go. Look at that. I'll go up here now. Okay? So you can feel that biting into the wood. Now, this screw in here is just going through the paint on the base body. Okay? Feel that clutching down. And they're not stripping, which is good. And there you go. That is that. On top of the sky is the place where you go if you've done nothing wrong. And I'm going to hit for a copyright violation on that one, guys. But anyway, that bass neck is fit in. And I'm going to do a little thing on this hip shot detuner. I'm going to do a little video on that separately. Or maybe I'll do it right now. But I don't know. I'll probably do it separately. Anyway, I got the bass neck onto this body. Guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to edit up a bunch of these videos, and I'm just gonna drop them, 2 a week, I guess, because unless I have some other thrilling content like another Blair White story. But anyway, so there is my Thunderbird bass, okay, and the next video on this is going to be just strings and intonation and all that kind of happy accidents and crap. And right now I'm gonna hang this on the wall, and I'm gonna go edit some videos and maybe do some other things right now. But anyway, so it's finally gotten to this point, and I'm so happy. You don't know how happy I am just to see this thing. I mean, this is really cool. This is beautiful. This really does remind me of, like, one of the old John Entwistle photographs I saw, like, live at Charlton football grounds. So anyway, guys, on a personal note, I'd like to thank everybody who's been sending me comments. I hope you keep them coming. So far, I haven't got any hatred from really anybody. I got 2 thumbs down on the Blair White video, probably just from a bunch of transphobic guys who, don't like the fact that I actually watch people like Blair White. But anyway, guys, that's neither here nor there. We're all together in this because we are fighting in the war of music versus the simple closed-minded bigotry and hatred. And music pervades everything. So really, this has been a personal journey for me. And God damn it, I love it. I love my new bass guitar. Look at that. Ain't it beautiful? Ain't it beautiful? This is going to be wonderful. So I can't wait to play this thing. Anyway, so guys, we'll come back to this one in a little bit. And until then, I love you. Stay clean. Stay cool. Stay positive. Sorry, I'm doing my Barbara for you to see imitation. But until then, keep on rocking in the free world. All right, later, guys.